let's talk. You know, we start the year off with momentum, and then what happens? We hit a wall. Why? It's not that we're lazy, it's psychological. Truth. So today I'm going to be breaking down why we get stuck mid-quarter and exactly how we can spring clean our goals. You get it, spring, so that you can actually manifest what is meant for you. I'm a firm believer that what's meant for us will come to us, but we have to be open, receptive. Got it? So let's look at 3 of the 5 strategies that I talk about in my blog, and you really should check it out. The first one is decluttering. So what I think about is about mental clutter. That means that I'm actually holding on or carrying a burden that I really shouldn't or don't need to carry. So I want you to think about it like this. You know how many times that you go to change up your space, like you want to rearrange your room, and you want to give it a new look, but we don't take anything out. We just move stuff around. And it's still clutter. So that's why we don't feel any different about the room. Okay? So that's number 1, decluttering. Number 2 is rewiring. So if your goal is still important and it feels good to you, but you lack motivation, that means you have a wiring problem. And you just need to rewire, got it, or rewrite the brain synopsis so that all things are firing and meshing together, okay? Because if you don't, then there's so much that's going on in your brain that it just shuts down and decides to do what? Nothing. That's your lack of motivation because you're overwhelmed. And here's the big one, the game changer for me, accountability. You need to find yourself a success partner because self-motivation alone is not going to cut it. It will only get you so far. If you find a success partner, and it doesn't have to require a lot of time, right? You just need to have some type of structure to checking in, to being accountable. Because at that point, you're not just relying on yourself. Got it? Great. So here's my challenge to you today. I want to, my word today was challenge, right? In the next 24 hours, I want you to either, number 1, drop 1 dead weight. Okay? 1. Number 2, reset 1 goal using the SMART method. Okay? Specific, measurable, right? And 3rd, take 1 action step. Just 1. And then I want you to DM me and let me know what's working for you. So let's get ourselves out of this quicksand and stagnation that we're in, because we still can accomplish everything we want. Talk to you soon. Peace.